Now, the one thing that has been the most surprising about just being on social media is how easy it has become to actually earn some money. Now, if you're anything like myself, of course, we need a side hustle for our side hustle to either pay these bills, to pay these loans, or just to get out of debt. Now, the one thing that I feel that we can all agree on is how easy TikTok has made it to make money online, either through the creativity program, through being an influencer, or just the TikTok shop. But I think we all know that the real money is, of course, in the TikTok shop. Now, today, I want to show you how you can get your hands on free samples so you can start making some affiliate sales. I've tested the waters on what it even is like to be a TikTok affiliate, and it's actually kind of cool. I'm not gonna lie, I haven't been doing it too much, like as much as I should, especially if I want to earn a couple $1,000s. So that might be a challenge that we do in a future video. So if you haven't already, hit the subscribe button, also ring the bell, because we're gonna play around with this TikTok shop a little bit, all right? But it's time to get into how we can get our hands on these free samples so we can start making money today, okay? Today. So we're gonna go over to our TikTok app. So now that we're on the TikTok app, we can go over to this little shopping bag, especially if you're an affiliate marketer or if you're a TikTok affiliate, you will have this logo. Then you go and click on the TikTok Shop Creator Center. And as you can see, we haven't really been taking TikTok Shop too serious, but we're going to be changing that, okay? Last 7 days, you see I have 442 product reviews or product views, and we really ain't make anything, all right? But when you go and you're looking for these free samples, all you have to do is scroll down here to the product marketplace. And if you really want to target a certain category, sorry for all these random notifications. If you're looking for a certain category or whatnot, then of course, all of the categories are here. My best advice would be to look for something that's trending. If you see it on your For You page, then you might want to see if they offer a free sample. Now, we'll go for, we don't really have to choose a category, but we'll just scroll down here. And when you see all of the products, you start to see the recommended for you. Of course, you can filter these, and there's even a category for all free samples. So you click on that, and then you can literally scroll down a whole list of free samples. This is where you are going to start getting lit, all right? So if you're trying to make the most bang for your buck or trying to make the most money, then I highly suggest you go for certain items that will give you maybe 4, 5, or more per sale, if that makes sense. So look at here. All right, so this hands-free dog walking leash, all right? TikTok shop, they're selling it for anywhere between $19 to $21. I guess it depends on where the customer needs this order to be shipped. But the good thing is you don't have to worry about all that. But it says if we sell one of these items, we will earn $9.90 per sale. That is amazing. So you're making about $10 and you don't have to order anything. You don't have to do any of the returns. You don't have to talk to anybody. You literally just make a video, okay? You don't have to hold the item in your house. It's amazing, okay? Affiliate marketing is definitely something that you should be looking into, especially if you're a small creator. But just looking at a lot of these items, you can already tell what you would be making per item. So it's really no guessing in this at all. So if you really want to make the most money, then do product reviews on the things that are going to get you the most money. It just makes sense, all right? So we see a lot of these dog leashes are going for a lot, okay? The commissions are pretty high. If you really don't want to do all these $1 and $2 things, I don't even blame you. But yeah, just target things that are going to make you a little bit of cash money. So let's say we wanted to do a review. Well, I got a few things in my cart actually. Let's see what I have in my cart. I just saved a few things so we can always just kind of go back. All right, so I do have this change bucket because if you have a vehicle, sometimes you just have loose change just everywhere. And I feel that this is the ultimate answer to this problem, all right? So we have this, I did save it. And if we really wanted to get this as a free sample, because they do offer it as a free sample, we see after every unit sold, we do get to take home $1.40. That's a 12% commission. So what we're going to do is press this, and then you see we can go for a free sample. We do not want to use our points because I feel like why wouldn't we just want to save our points up? So we're gonna request from the seller, okay? Now we get to choose our color. We're just going to go basic. Oh, they come in twos. Oh, that's lit. That is actually pretty lit. All right, we're gonna go 2 black ones, and then we're going to request free sample, and then it'll have all your information already up there. I'm going to have to blur that in the video. So it'll have your address and everything because we've already gotten tons of free products from the TikTok shop already. So then you just go ahead and agree by just clicking the circle. Now, when you click this circle, this is pretty much your autograph or your signature, your kind of virtual signature, just saying that when you do receive this free item, you are going to post a review or a video about this product, promoting this product in the next 14 days after its arrival to your doorstep. After you click that button and agree to the terms, you submit and add product to your showcase, and there you go. All right, request submitted. Thanks for requesting a sample. The seller will respond within 7 days. Now, what they mean by this is that a seller, if they want to push your free sample through, then they're going to look at your account, see if you're, reasonable, if you've actually been doing what you say you're going to be doing and have been promoting products in the past, then they're going to accept your free sample, send it to you, and no problems asked. Now, yes, they can decline it, and yes, in those 7 days, they can just not say anything. And if they don't say anything, then that is okay. It's no strike or no harm, no foul against you. You just need to go and find other products that you can request free samples for. There's been a lot of items that they just didn't want to give to me for free because I was so brand new into the game. Now that I have a little bit of experience, maybe a few videos experience, people start to accept the offer and then they just send me free items. I do a video, I put the link in the video, and there you go. It's that easy. So hopefully this helps you guys start to get your hands on free samples because it's literally just free money at this point. You can start with TikTok, but if you want to go even further with affiliate marketing, there's so many things that you can do online. It's actually scary, all right? But if you have any questions, concerns, or anything along those lines, then please leave a comment down below, and I'm going to do my best to answer everyone who comments down below. Even if you just want to say hi or, anything, ask me questions or, even give a request on what you want to see next on the channel, all right? But I would greatly appreciate if you guys are stopping by and you stayed this long to the video, then obviously you might have liked the video. Go ahead and leave a like on the video, all right? Leave a like on the video, subscribe if you're new, ring the bell, of course, and I'll see you guys in the next one.